Here's a 2018 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, smart device navigation, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.